Hello Sir Yosef and viewers. Before we start this video, let me introduce myself and my group members. My name is Mezia and my group members are Coraima, Rafi. We are students at President University, majoring in Industrial Engineering from the batch 2023, Class 1, Group 3. This video is part of our Industrial Ecology course taught by our lecturer, Sir Yosef. You may find his channel at Yosef Manik 2235. In this video, my group members and I will be making a herbarium. What is a herbarium, you may ask? A herbarium is a collection of preserved plant specimens and associated data used for scientific study. For our herbarium, we decided to display the Rangoon creeper. Let us show you how it's done. The materials that we need to make a herbarium are a plant of your choice, a picture frame, a heavy book or other heavy item, a pair of scissors, some glue, and some colorful pens or markers.
Step by step to create a herbarium. For the first step, pick the plant you want to make in a herbarium. Make sure it has leaf, flower, and stem. For the second step, after you pick the plant, we will enter the drying process stage. We will use a book as a container for the plant. Put the leaf, flower, and stems in different pages. Make sure they are thickly closed. Then place the book in the sun for the last and wait up to 2 weeks for the result to be satisfactory.
The next step that we did is to add the dried plants onto a piece of paper that fits the picture frame. We assemble the plant carefully according to its structure. This step is to know where each part of the plant goes onto the paper. Then we applied glue evenly to the back of each part of the plant. We press down the plant parts to the paper for a while so that the glue can do its work. Lifting your hands immediately would make the plant detach from the paper. You may have some difficulties gluing the plant parts flat. Don't worry about it, because we can fix it later. Once we have finished assembling and gluing the plants onto the paper, we use a heavy item, in this case a laptop, to flatten the plant. This also keeps the plants glued to the paper. Let the heavy item sit for a while. In the meantime, we move on to the next step.
For the decorating and framing, we use a plain white frame to keep the look simple and clean. Around the edges, we add small decoration like flower and leaves, which we drew by hand to make it look more natural and creativity. To make the frame more attractive, we wrote the name of the flower, Rangoon creeper, using colored pencil. Each letter was written in different color to make them stand out and catch people's attention. The colorful writing made the frame look cheerful and lively. We also add a small drawing of the flower inside the frame so it's easier for others to see what the real Rangoon creeper looks like. Even though we keep the material simple, just colored pencil and white frame, the result was still fun, beautiful, and full of creativity. The purpose of our decoration was to make the presentation more interesting, so people will not just read information but enjoy looking at it. It helps us show that learning about flower can be both educational and fun.
When you're done writing the information on the herbarium and decorating it, you may now frame your herbarium. Carefully place the plastic over the herbarium. Be careful not to ruin the plants. Then you can go ahead and assemble the frame. That's all the steps needed to make a herbarium. All that's left is to hang it up on the wall and admire your work. That is all for our video. I hope you have enjoyed watching it and find it useful. We apologize for any mistakes that we made in this video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.